Very happy. So 180 college students with different places. But this is the first place for Raghunatha. This idol Puja by Rama before his father Dasaratha. So Ishvaku Vamsa Anaitu Rajakulum ruling that time, he is a Kula Deivam Raghunatha Swami. So you are here before birth, he is marking to you. So he is only for devotees. In all the days he is searching. All the days he is searching. Suppose we are very busy with our life. All the days we are running. Suppose 5 days you are staying here. This is the first. All the days our life is very fastly going. We are not thinking anything. But only one concentrated, all the person, only Raghunatha and Swamiji's Asirvad. That is important. Some happiness is our life only. Suppose you are staying here and hearing good words from Swamiji, this is deposit your next generation also. You need not worry anything. So always he is monitoring your life. Physical fitness is very little time to you, but he is thinking so many generations your welfare. That is the great of Raghunatha. So, in our life normally, in Tamil Prabandham, Vedam Nuru, Prayam Nuru, maximum 100 years for our life. Sadamanam Bhavati is Rasulullah. Suppose he is giving 100 years, Paviyul Urangi Pogu. 50 years for sleeping, no use. And then 15 years for childhood. So 50 plus 15, 65 years waste. Remaining 35% automatically coming Pini, Pasi, Muppu, Tunbam. Automatically coming. So I don't want to go to rebirth. So this birth is very happy to me. You please showering all happiness to all our family. Another, all the temples lastly saying the words in Vaishnava temple, all the days. First is Adiyargal Vada. So all devotees, all the places happy. Suppose you are enjoying happy, Aranganagar Vada. This is the growing place. All the days he is growing the success to all. Aranganagar Vada. Our sampradayam is enjoyment is self-enjoyment, not about. Distribution is very important. Adiyargal Vada, Aranganagar Vada, Tadalsunda Mandulagam Vada. All the people, everything is happily enjoy his life. So, lastly, Vaigundam Puguvadu Mandavar Vidhiye. Suppose, any day only we are going for the Lord's feet of Krishna. Before that, we are doing so many good things. In Yuga Dharma, I already told, everything is against the law. So, Dharma also is very rarely doing this Dharma. But easy way, you are saying that Rama Ranga, this is enough. In Tamil Slokam, in Andal Patram, Toomanar Tuvi Toludu, Vainal Padi, Manatinal Sindhike, Boya Paidan. Suppose you are only one time using the Ranga, Rama, Krishna, everything is bad thing is going out. Money, not only money giving the dharma, your words also is one of the dharma. Very easy way, already Krishna told everything. So before the birth, you are remarkable person, you are doing good things. Already I am told you. Third stage is very important for all. Mother giving good feeding, father giving knowledge, Acharya giving all these of things. We are searching only, Acharya is very important. So many persons round with us. Only some person thinking our life and they are doing what is the right way. So, proud is against the law. But only one we are telling proud, he is my Acharya. I am not his Shikya. That is important. So you are grateful for all. Before birth, you are doing for your father and forefathers. in every enjoyment, good or bad, in Tamil slogam, எந்தை தந்தை தந்தை தன்மூத்தப்பன் ஏழ்வழிகால் தொடங்கி, from your father 7 generation forefathers already fixing in your hands. Now you are enjoying, not your deposit, already fixing. He is our Acharya, I am the Shishya. Only proud, he is Acharya, we are telling proud. I am only Shishya, proudly said. But everything is okay. Today is very happy day to all. Today, not only today, from the Vara parties time are arriving Srirangam. From the day, all the days. Not only this, this is generation depositing happily. I am also very happy. Suppose my only extraordinary grace, 165 crores in this in India. Only 20% also, only 20% teaching the Ranganatha's holy feet. I am one of the person of that 20% only. So this is not even the percentage. So I am catching the lotus feet of Lord Ranganatha. I am praying for Swamiji and all of the devotees. ஆண்டாள் தமிழ் பாசுரம் எற்றைக்கும் ஏழு பிறவிக்கும் உந்தன்னோடு உற்றோவை யாவோம் உமக்கே நாம் ஆட்சேவோம் மற்ற நம் காமங்கள் மாற்றேலோ ரெம்பாவாய்னா. So everything is I am surrendering in your lotus feet. You fulfill my desires. That is important. So 5 days, maximum 5 days or 6 days here you are. This is a time for, suppose we are thinking plus or minus, only sitting here and thinking what is the wrong way, we are not go. This is the right way, we are going this way. So deciding time to you for this saying, deciding time. So our prayers, I am also happily, Swamiji, suppose you are coming here, normally immediately. Before 3 months, 4 months, he is frequently coming here. So, Ranganatha also thinking for devotees. Swamiji also thinking for devotees. So, same way, more than 3 to 4 times he is coming for the arrangements. Suppose, our temple only 10%, 20% doing. Very important part we are crushing all the days. But so many people here collecting here, he is thinking, you are staying, you are lunching, transporting, everything is so many big procession, big. So easily getting, you are easily here, but he is taking so many troubles for this. So that way, our Ranganatha giving all happiness, all of us only. I am also proud. Oh, what is the devotees? I never seen like this crowd.